check, check. Yep. All right. We got it. Yo. All right. Wow. Dude. Technical difficulties. Hey, once again, this is not financial advice. Financial advice. I am not a whatever. It's not financial advice. Only paper trade, right? Only paper trade. Okay. So here we are, right? We're at NQs. We're at NQs. All right. So let's look on our 4 hour, okay? What do we have here? What am I looking at? Taylor, what's up? Okay. By the way, I am on the platform of Top Step X. Top Step X. Okay. Um, we're okay, so right now we are looking at a little power hour here. Okay. All right, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. All right. On the 1 hour, Bissy, or I'm sorry, no, not Bissy, a SIBI, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, okay? A fair value gap, right? All right. I'm looking at that right now. We're having a little bit of we're teeter-totting around there. Okay, as you can see. Pop, 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 pop. Now, on our 4 hour, let's look at our daily. Okay. All right. I'm gonna get rid of that. Here we go. You ready? I see a volume imbalance on the daily. Okay. The daily, and we're going to do a little bit of this. We're going to go up here, up there. We're going to go consequent encroachment of the volume imbalance. Okay. Now, I'm looking at these two areas. I'm also looking at this last up close candle before the down move. So that's also going to be aligned with the consequent encroachment of the volume imbalance on the daily. Okay. I'm also I'm not going to worry so much about the 1 hour buy side balance, sell side inefficiency. No, no, not Civi. All right, here we go. So let's go back on our daily. Sick. Hang on. Go back on our daily. Let's do this, this, and let's do this orange. There we go. There's our mark, right? We're looking at a reaction from this area. I would like to see a reaction off of this area. So that's on the daily. That's a volume imbalance, right? I'm seeing this clean trend line. I'm also, let me put this up here. Um, I also got these bonds up here, guys. I also got these bonds. I got the US Treasury bonds, I got the 5 year, the 10 year, and the US dollar. Okay. I got them on the 15 minute. Okay. This is the ZBs. This is the ZFs of 5 years, okay? And then this is the dollar. So anytime I'm looking at anything really, I'm gonna be focused on this dollar right here, okay? But I can't necessarily show you that because I got so many damn screens, but I'm just gonna kind of teeter totter. Um, I'm looking over here. Let's look on the daily on the DXY. Okay, let's look at the DXY. Yeah, the DXY's got a little bit of a volume imbalance right here on the daily. Where did it come from? Well, kind of closed up this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So I'm going to be babysitting that. Bounced off of here, kind of rejecting. So it came down, closed above. Now this is on the daily. So I'm thinking maybe bullish dollar right here, okay? Bullish on the dollar. But this is not financial advice. It's not financial advice. Okay. All right, bullish dollar. So let's go. Let's take this off. So I'm going to be babysitting that. Go. Whole lot of babysitting. Whole lot of babysitting. I'm also going to do here. Okay. Here's why I drew these trend lines, right? When I'm looking, now this is just me. Okay. This is just me. When I'm thinking as a market maker, right? I'm thinking where are the stops? Where's the large portion of retail liquidity, right? Let's get rid of this. So you can see here's the trend line, right? Buyers got in right here, 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 thinking that this area is support. Okay. I'm I'm bearish. I'm bearish. Why am I bearish? Because that's a lot of liquidity. That's a lot of liquidity. And if I was a market maker, I'm going to be targeting that area. Now, I also can't be an idiot here, right? I can't be a ding dong sitting here thinking da, da, da. When I'm looking at the 4 hour, okay. Now, I'm going to be focused on the daily, right? But see this area right here, this last up close candle before the down move. This area right here, actually this is connected to it as well. This area. That's that order block. I'm counting that as an order block, whether that's right or wrong or indifferent. Okay, I'm counting that as an order block. So I cut that in half and I'm going to quarter that out. Okay, so we have two areas that I'm focused on. I'm focused on the daily volume imbalance. Okay, and I'll point that out again right here. All right, that little gap right there, a little volume imbalance. But I'm also going to be focused on the daily, on I'm sorry, on the 4 hour order block as well. So we're in a tough area, right? Uh, we're in a tough area, tough area. It's not really doing a whole lot of movement, not doing a whole lot of movement, but I create these videos not necessarily to be educational or anything like that. Just kind of just keep me what's that word I'm looking for? Keep me accountable. That's the word. Keep me accountable for what I do. So right now we're waiting. Right, we're waiting. Um, we're waiting. A lot of time, a lot of time left. A lot of ball game left in this inning. A lot of ball game left in this inning. Um, man, tell you what, I'm actually so I'm gonna go on a little thing here. When was it? You know, here's my mindset, guys. Honestly, this is like my mindset. You want to talk ICT? We talk ICT. It doesn't matter, right? When we had when we started dropping April 12th, I started biting my nails. I was like, okay, things aren't really making sense on why it's dropping right now, right? Um, you know, seasonal tendencies, sure, fine. You want to say that, okay. But being election year, I was thinking to myself, man, dude, dropping the market like it's dropping, it really wouldn't make a whole lot of sense for it to keep going. But when we started like breaking, like, I don't know, we took a lot of liquidity, cool, cool. Took that liquidity, but when was it? It was the weekly. It was the weekly, right? So it did something. Okay. It did something. I want to just kind of point this out. This is how I do my order block. This, there, here, there. Why is it what? Hang on. It's not looking the same as it did on my standby. Standby. Yeah. Yeah, that's not okay. It's over here. So for some reason on the Top Step X, it's not looking the same as this. So when we closed on the on the 15th, May 5th, when was this? It was April. Monday, 15th. When did this open? No, 415. On 415. Okay. So when we closed that on the 19th, yeah. When we closed on the 19th, I was like, on this candle right here, I was like, damn, right? I was like, shit. Down close candle before the up move, right? Down close candle. You see how it closed? It did one of these little tricks on us. It closed that week. Friday night, it closed like that. And I was like, shit, dude. I'm thinking like bounce off of it and then close Friday right above it, right? But it didn't. And I'm thinking to myself, oh shit, are we going lower? But then it had a new week opening gap where it did one of those. It closed right here, but then it gapped up. Boom. And I'm like, holy shit. We're both to me, I was like, I don't know. It like tricked me because like I spent all that weekend like thinking, damn, yeah, could we come all the way down to this midpoint of this mean threshold? Sure, we could have. But then it didn't. It new week opening gap. It automatically boom set it up, and then we've been bullish since then. Excellent, 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 excellent. That's exactly what I was wanting to see. Right, kept dropping on the daily. Right, kept dropping, kept dropping, kept dropping. I was like, shit. But here's the cold hard trick. Remember when I told you about that whole trend line, the whole trend line liquidity thing on the 1 minute? That's what I'm thinking that these market makers are going to send it up to. I on my Discord, I said, guys, I may sound like um I may sound crazy as hell, but I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Ever since that weekly close like that, I'm bullish because it's too clean. It's too clean. It's too clean a price action. Retail got a short right here. Big financial, big banks got a short right here. Got a short right here. Keep in mind, this is on the daily. Got a short right here. Dropped. This guy's short. This guy came up. He's short. He's short. He's short. Everybody in the shorts is profitable. Everybody. And then what we do? Hit that last down close count for the up move on the weekly. Had a new week opening gap. Go up. Okay. Now I knew we are going to go up. We're going to go for new highs. In my honest personal opinion, this is not financial advice, and I'll give you another disclaimer. Okay. But I'm bullish. I am so freaking bullish it's not even funny. Absolutely we're going to go for this, okay? Absolutely. In my honest opinion, did we come up and break this right here? I got to zoom in a little bit because you guys can't see it really. Yeah, it's kind of hard for you to see it here. Let me hang on, let me canvas this. That'll do. Okay. Okay. That'll do. Came up right up here. As you can see that little wick. Uh, All right, this is what we're gonna do. Came up a little bit, then dropped, right? Came up a little bit and dropped. Now, if boom to right here, I want to show you something that's a little funny, little funny. Okay. You see how little trick I got for you. Ready? You see on the left hand side, see that left hand corner? Okay. That wick right there. And I'll make it really big for you. That wick right there. Okay. You see how it came up over here? Then I'm going to kind of just draw this out for you. Okay. Came up right there. All right. If you go on the NASDAQ to this same line, forget about that. Forget about that. Look, ES, which is S&P, shot up took out buy stops, then dropped. But look at where we were on the NQs. Look, we were nowhere close to hitting that high. We were not going up. So this to me was an SMT divergence, a smart money tree, whatever you want. It's an ICT term. But like things like that, like you could be like, oh shit, especially when we're on the daily, right? But I don't know. I didn't think that it was going to drop the way it did, and it did, and which is fine because it went to the weekly order block. Um, anyways, enough about that. But look on the left. Look on the left. See how these lines, see how the vertical lines they match. ES took out the high, NQ didn't. That's your true divergence. That's your true divergence. Okay, enough about that. All right. So that's how I knew we're going to go down. Did I think we are going to go all the way down like that on the weekly? No, but we did, and that's okay. That's okay. All right. Oh, okay. A little sloppy. Okay, let's look on our 1 minute here. Hmm, so shoot. Hmm. That's okay. This right here, man, it's kind of hard for you guys to see. Wait, let me try this. Hang on. What that? That work? How does that work out for you guys? Something like that? Okay. Okay. All right. So we came up to this daily volume and balance. Now, am I looking at the dollar? Yes. Are we going up on the dollar? Yes. But I'm just not completely sold on the dollar. Okay, now you got a tough market going on right here. Sponsored by Coke Zero. They ain't really my sponsors, but hey, drink them if you got them. Drink them if you got them. All right, here. All right, okay. So we're waiting. Not too much is going on. Not too much is going on. Kind of throwing this in here, right here. I, a lot of liquidity right here. So here's what I want to see happen. Okay, here's what I want to see happen. I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna call this play. Okay. Um, uh, we got a little bit of a. That looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right, I would like to break above here. Okay, above this consolidation. So we're gonna call this box consolidation. Okay. Uh, center, bottom. Consolidation. Nice little area where we're ranging. Okay. Let me zoom in. Man, you guys aren't really getting the. Here you go. Consolidation. There you go. All right. I gotta zoom out though. All right. We're gonna. What I'd like to see is for price to. Okay. I'd like to see price go up. That didn't work. Get this out of the way. I see price go up, and then I would like to see price come down and to test this order block right here, but to kind of reject it. All right. So it's going to be a whole lot of waiting. But if we get a nice push up, taking out these stops right here, I would be interested in a short. Okay. At that orange line at 18,160.25. But I want to see something happen. It's 3:23 Eastern Standard Time. Do I think we're gonna get it? I don't want to be involved in the consolidation. I don't want to be involved in the consolidation because in theory, what it's doing is it's here's what's going on, right? And this is not financial advice, right? This is not financial advice. But let me get these little guys right here. Let me get these little guys right here. So, I mean, whatever. Um, we're gonna count. We're gonna say these X's right here, right? Clone. Got this X right here. So these X's are going to resemble money. Okay, these X's are going to resemble money. All right, anytime we're consolidating. Okay, now what is this right here? So when it's going up and down, up and down, and up and down, it's creating shorts. It's creating buyers right here. I'm going to create, let me do this. No, I can't do it. It's going down. It's creating shorts. It's creating buyers. It's creating shorts. And I'll clone this again. Clone it. Okay. It's creating shorts. It's creating buyers. This is why you want to stay out of consolidation, in my personal opinion, right? Shorts to buyers to shorts to buyers. Now the market makers are going to look at this area, this area, this area, and whoever has the most liquidity, what they're going to do is they're going to come up, take out all this buy order, because anytime you have a sell order, there's a buy stop, right? For people that go short. Okay. Fake everybody going long and then drop the market, right? Consolidation, expansion, retracement, rejection, or retracement. Power three, consolidation, manipulation, expansion. So that's what I'm looking at right now. But it is 325. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Whoever can wait the longest in this game, I'm telling you what, is going to win. All right, is going to win. We are into that. We're in. See, that's. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. Why do I have to wait? Because we're in consolidation. We're in consolidation. The dollar keeps pushing up. The dollar's pushing up. The bonds are well, the bonds closed in a 15-minute inefficiency, rejected off of that. Now it's kind of pushing up. It's not really going any lower. Um, um, Not really going lower. But look at DXY still pushing up. And I'm on the 15-minute on DXY. Let's see if we can't see anything on the so right here is the Dow Jones over here. Uh-oh. Nope, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Right here's the Dow Jones. Right here is ES. Okay, I'm just looking for any type of. Look at the Dow Jones just dropping like a rock. Look at the Dow Jones. What's ES doing? Nothing. NQ, I think NQ is going to set up for a SMT, to tell you the God's honest truth. I think it's going to set up for a fake out, everyone getting fake out long, hit the consequent encroachment of the daily volume imbalance, and then reject off that. Man, dude, but it's 327. We got to get going, dude. We got to go. We got to go. We got to go. If not, it's whatever. It's whatever. I've been doing this so long, it's not even funny. I'm just like, whatever. Man, look at the Dow just dropping like rocks, dropping like rocks. Still, still consolidating. I don't want to do anything until we get a consolidation. I think 330 is really going to pump up this baby, or down. I really don't want to see it push any lower. If we reject off this midpoint, if we were, let's see if we reject off of this midpoint right here, right there, right there, that orange line. Push higher. Okay, came down to that. That's okay. Yeah, it should push up pretty good. Should get a good push. Should get a good push. Push up. Push up. Up, 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 up. It looks fair to say it's going to get a pretty good bullish candle right there. Still in consolidation though, so we're not going to touch it. But this just gives us better confluence onto where did it come from if it does keep going up, right? So this is a midpoint. Okay, pushing down. That's 330. 330 just hit. Okay. Um, get rid of these X's. Still in consolidation though, boys. Can't ever get tricked out. Don't ever get tricked out with this, okay? Just when you think it's going to go short, it didn't break out of the consolidation. That's why I'm a little hesitant. But yet it is close to close the power hour. Power hour, whatever. You got some highs right here. You got some relative equal, or we got some double tops right here. There's a lot of buy stops up there too. Hmm. Very, 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 very interesting. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. My only thing is dollar keeps pushing up too. Dow Jones got out of bed and then fell out of bed. Dow Jones keeps dropping. The ES is following Dow Jones pretty good, but NQ's throwing in a consolidation. Um, for all my trend or for all the other. See what I'm saying? We're just kind of just throwing. We're just consolidating right now. You know, I can't. We can't be idiots here running around with our heads cut off. Here, we're consolidating. We're consolidating. So, um, consolidating. That's all we're doing right here. No need to fear. No need to fear. Damn, there's not. It's Monday. It's Monday. Man, dude, not too much going on here. Too much. Um, just consolidating, really. Damn, what a boring ass. What a boring segment. Yeah, dude. I'm bullish for the time being. Why? Because we got those relative equal high. We got those highs right up here. That's in the form of some buy stops. For the what? The people who went short. Buy stops. Let's make this bigger. Buy stops. There you go. I'm gonna make it red. There you go. That's fine. That's fine. Buy stops. Okay. Now, retail's gonna look at that and think that that's support. I'm sorry, resistance. It's not. That's just it's called engineering liquidity, and that's what the market makers and or algorithm does. Okay, what it does. Um, I think I even talked about that in a video that I made once, but Mhm. Okay. See how price is going up. Well, Taylor, why didn't you take a long there? Well, because you got this too. You got these guys, and you never know when it's going to go up for it, right? You never know when it's going to go for it. Plus, we're consolidating, guys. Damn it, we're consolidating. We're not. What's the dollar doing? Dow Jones, why are you going up? ES, where are you? Okay, ES is on one today, guys. ES has just decided to just throw a fit. Uh oh. Took out buy side. Oh. All right. Don't be fooled, though, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be fooled. We are still looking at consolidation. That's it. I think these things. I think the NQs are going to push up to 18,160 and bounce off. I really do. I really do. If we have a clean bounce off of 160, I might go in and take a short. I might go in and take a short. Or if it keeps rocketing, hang on. Let's draw. Foam. There. This. And let me put it at the 50% right there. Lock it in. So I can't fuck with it. Lock that in too. Let's look at our dailies, make sure our levels are correct. Boom, boom, boom. Got it. Lock it. And lock it. Go on the 1 minute. This would make sense, right? Producing buy stops up here. So we're going to come up, take out the buy stops, and then come crashing down to take out all this retail liquidity. That's my bias, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Welcome to my dirty room. It's really not dirty. It's just the bed's not made, right? The bed's not made. Bed's gotta make the bed. All right. We're waiting. 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 To tell you the God's honest truth, I was wanting to do this earlier on today when market opened, but I was busy. I was busy. Busy. Uh 340. Oh shoot. Still in consolidation, people. Still in consolidation. I don't think we're gonna get anything done out of this unless it wants to throw a fit. And I think that's exactly what it's gonna do. It's gonna hit that 18,159.50 and then just decide to take a shit. And it makes sense too. Take out the buy stops above the consolidation and then expand lower. Expand lower. Uh, I'm on a. This may be partially evil of me, but I'm kind of looking at these other chat rooms. I'm looking at these chat rooms and they're saying, what are they saying? They're saying, hang on. They're saying short in Q 18,150. That's what this guy is saying. Okay, well, we're not going to short 18,150 because we're still in consolidation. What's this guy saying? 18,136 longs, selling at 18,123. What? Yeah, that guy got stopped out. Whatever. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, coming out of this consolidation, right? Coming out of this consolidation. This area, I'm gonna draw it for you. Would technically be the break of consolidation. That red line right there. So we're waiting on that. Okay, waiting on that. I think this is perfect. It's consolidating, and we're going to hit consequent encroachment of that volume imbalance. It makes perfect sense to me that the reason we'd hit it, 18159, right? 18159. Break. Kind of did. It broke it right there. There, broke it. I don't like it. I want to come up. That's gonna be my area is 18159.50. I want to see it come up and then reject off of it. I want to see it reject off it. Bobo. I want to see it reject off it. But I don't think we have much time. It's 8:30 or 3:43. 15, 16, 17 minutes left. 17 minutes till close. It's gonna have to grip it and rip it. We got earnings. We got earnings coming up. Do we? What's this guy saying? We just closed above the VWAP on ES 5 minute, is what this other guy's saying. I don't look at VWAP. Like a bull trap. Rockstar, you. The guy that's saying it's looking like a bull trap took a short at 150. Why would he take a short into the consolidation? Why? Huh? Huh? Come on, Annabelle. Let's see what this 15 minute can do. I'm just chilling on this daily to tell you guys honest truth. I'm on the daily volume imbalance. That's where I'm at in life. That's where I'm at in life. Wherever. Ugh. Okay. Here we go. It's okay. 45. 15-minute candle just closed, right? At 3:45. Okay. You gotta push up though, Bubba. Um what's dollar still going up? Dollar's got some sell side. Damn it. Dollar's got some sell side going on, boys. No, that's a fake out. No way. No way. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. If that doesn't break that, they're going to consider that as support. Dear Lord Jesus. Oh my, Kevin. Oh my, Kevin. 18159. I'd really like to see that. If 18159 didn't happen, I don't care. I'll keep on repeating myself. Bro, I'm tired. I don't think we're going to get it, boys. Maybe tomorrow. If this really does happen on the volume imbalance consequent encroachment, if this really does hit 159.50, especially being this late in the day, broski jaboski, we're gonna be hitting bricks hard. We're gonna be dropping like a sack of potatoes. Uh-oh. Let's look here. Broke that buy side imbalance. Uh-oh. Let's put a limit. Let's put a limit. Let's put a limit right there. Just a quickie. Just a quickie. Let's just put a limit. If we get stopped out, we get stopped order out. Filled. There it is. Okay, our order is filled. It's going above consequent encroachment. It's going above consequent encroachment. Whatsoever. Well, Yeah, it keeps on breaking above. Damn it.
Order filled.
Okay, keep on pushing up. Look for 18172s. Ah, it's okay. Look for 18172s now. You'll have that. You'll have that. 18172 to close the whole thing in. I guess we could quarter the damn thing off too. Hell, let's see if we get a balance off the quarter, off the 3/4. Let's see. Let's see. Very clean. Very, very clean. Right there, getting a bounce. Dude, that there. Hmm. Bouncing off that quarter pretty good. Didn't necessarily, yeah. Didn't necessarily close out too good. Um, okay. Um, Bounce off of consequent encroachment. Let's try a limit sell. Off of that inverse.
Order filled.
All right, let's see what happens there. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see what happens. See what happens. Comes into this fair value gap, this BISI right here. Let's see if we can break that BISI too. Nope, right there. Nope. Stopped right there. Coming up here. Hit consequent encroachment of the volume imbalance on the daily. See what happens. See what happens. Down right there. That quarter section. Like I said, this is all in the daily. This is all in the daily. 350's hitting. Okay. 350's hitting. Waiting here, waiting there. Coming down. Let's see what we got. Okay. Keep on dropping. Keep on dropping. Last down close candle before the up move. It hit it right there. Still a little bearish, though, to tell you guys the God's honest truth. Still a little bearish still. So I'm going to take market, well, let's see what happens here. Let's take one off.
Order filled.
We took one off right there. Okay. Let's take another one off. Took another one off right there on market. Okay. Let's go hit consequent encroachment of the break. See, that's what I'm saying. It's closing below that fair value gap, that inverse fair value gap. inverse fair value gap. It's closing below that. So okay, hit that. Man, dude, real tricky right there. Okay, okay. Hit that last now up close candle for the down move. Hit that last close. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do there. Okay, yeah, it's gonna come up.
Order filled.
All right, so hit little playing around, little playing around. Hit that. So we're huh. All right. So upon this consolidation on 32nd, right? Consolidation, expansion. What was the last down close candle before the expansion right here? Hit the order block right there. Yeah, this is the order block. Now, there, hit it perfectly. Okay. But I was still bearish, right? I was still bearish. This red. Last down close candle for the up move out of the break structure. I'm going to call that a bullish order block. Okay. Put that to the right. Okay. Bullish order block, down close candle, up move of the consolidation, right? But it hit the quarter on the daily volume imbalance. And I was like, I did like how we took a pretty good short right there on that inverse fair value gap once it broke that and hit the quarter of 3/4 of that volume imbalance on the daily. Okay, cool. All right, it's coming up now. So it was consolidation, expansion. Remember the power of three? Consolidation, expansion. Consolidation, remember? Expansion, reversal, last down close candle for the up move, and then pushed up. Okay. All right. Now, let's look at our deal. We only got 5 minutes left. Okay. Here we go. You ready? Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, and boom. All right. Look at this 1 minute. 30-second. Boom. Right there. Let's see if we get a rejection off of 195. If we get a rejection off that 196, 195, that's going to be an interesting area. Now, I look, am I mad about all that went down? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. It was consolidation, it was expansion out of consolidation. Okay. Now it does consolidation, expansion, retrace, or reversal. Okay. I thought we are going to be more on the reversal side because of liquidity. That's okay. That's all right. It's no big deal. I should have probably seen that when it had this wick right here, push down below that and push up, but I didn't. I honestly did not like that. Right. I didn't like that upstream. Right. Let's see. What time is it? What 3:56 Eastern Standard Time. So market's about to close in 4 minutes. I want to see if we have the potential of hitting 195 just right quick. Just right quick. I'd really like to see that. That'd be really fun if it did that. That'd be like badass, man. It'd be like super badass, man. Uh oh. Uh oh. And right there.
Order filled.
I'm going to sell one right there. Give it a little room to breathe. It's a big ass area right there. Right there, 195, 196 area. That's a big area, son. It's a big ass area. Just I really, even giving it that much room is kind of a little bit too much, but that's a pretty, don't be dancing around too much here. I don't like how it closed in that fair value gap. Hang on. Come on. It's a big area. Right there.
Order filled.
Wait for the 1 minute to close. Wait for the 1 minute to close. Hang on. Wait for the 1 minute to close.
Order filled.
I took a short there. Miscuous girl, wherever you are. I'm all alone. As you can see, I don't give a shit. What time is it? Oh yeah, market is closed. Wait. Oh, I want to see if we get this nice little push down. So we're block here, son. Okay. Miscuous girl. All right. I don't want to play Russian roulette too much. I'm gonna put a stoplight. Stoplight. The stopwatch just above that high. I'm gonna manually. Well.
Order filled.
Okay. So pretty good. Pretty good day. How many trades? We had two. One off of the 3/4 of the volume imbalance. We took it off the 30-second inversion fair value gap. Okay. Came down, hit this order block actually pretty good. I should have seen that right there. Well, it doesn't matter. I was still bearish no matter what. I was still bearish, but it came up, rejected that perfectly. But you know, like I said, consolidation, expansion, retrace, and then bounced higher. I was caught in between the middle, right? I was caught right between the middle, but it's okay. It's all right. It's just one of those days. One of those days. But good trading though. Good trading though. That was clean on NQ. I do have to say that was clean. That was clean. That was fair. That was fair. It showed its hand. Um yeah. So that's it for today. Everyone take care, take care, take care, take care.